Here's a look at this sweeper in action. This is really great for low pile floors, so like commercial grade carpeting. I'm a teacher and this is something that I love to use in my classroom, and it's perfect for that exact kind of cleaning. So let's see it in action. I learned that it's more effective if you kind of get it on moving forward and coming backwards. So let's see, I guess, some stuff over here. Let's see if we can pick up this gum wrapper. It's like, so this isn't going to pick up the same way that a regular vacuum would pick up, but the advantage is that it does not need to be charged. You don't need to have an electrical outlet. It's quiet, and you can do this even if, say, you were in a restaurant and there were diners, or you're in a classroom and there are people around you. So it's quiet. That's the biggest thing. It's quiet and it always works. Has this little brush that comes with it so that you can clean out anything that gets on it. And let's take a look underneath. This is what it looks like underneath, and then you just flip this little bit open in order to clean everything out. Works well, it's a good value, and quite frankly, it's pretty cute.